Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. I'm Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 67 registered Renault Trafic Sportive. Now this is a super van, it's a two-owner van. First owner had it 6 months, maybe a demonstrator, but for GDPR it's not on the logbook. Then it's had one keeper since 8 months old, and they've been a refrigeration engineering company. So we've supplied them with a new vehicle, and this is their old vehicle. So let's have a look round it, because a Sportive has got loads and loads of spec, great to drive, and nice mileage as well, just over 58,000 miles. Now this particular Sportive is finished in the black metallic paint finish, so when it's sat on your drive it'll look really smart there. Now it's got the alloy wheels, the Renault standard alloy wheels. Externally we get colour coded front bumper with driving lamps in the bumper. We get the colour coded door mirrors as well. But the wheels are really nice condition and they're on really great tyres as well. Now it's got all the documentation for the servicing. It's got 2 keys. It's got a full set of Renault Trafic tailored floor mats as well. So rubber ones, gives you an idea of the type of person that bought the vehicle. Looking down the sides, both sides are in very nice order. A lovely vehicle, as I say, privately owned and maintained in that respect, not a fleet vehicle, but yes, very nicely all-round condition. Got the Rhino roof rack on as well, that's a couple of £100 saving. Got the rear parking sensors, a couple of tiny little marks on the plastic bumper there, but again, nothing that's to write home about. Vehicle is in great condition. We've got the Renault Trafic Sport badge on the back there. Coming round to the driver's side, that again, as you can see, is in lovely order. In this shimmering heat, you can pick up every little mark on a van today, but this one is in really super condition. All the wheels, as I said, are in great order as well. A very nice van. Drove it, it drives super. So looking in the van now, this is where the business or the sport starts to stand out from the rest. So we've got electric door mirrors, we've got electric windows, great storage in the door pockets there. The Renault Trafic, as I say, rubber mat set throughout, so the floors underneath there are superb. We've got parking sensors, we've got adjustable headlamp leveling. We've got a leather trim steering wheel, and the mileage on it is 58,091 miles. So I'm going to start her up now while you watch, so you can see there's no warning lights or any messages on the dashboard. Just wants a bit of fuel. Oh no, it's not, it's got fuel in it. So there you go, revs really nice. You can't knock these. Absolute brilliant van, these. So fully loaded, so we've got automatic wipers and headlamps, cruise control, we've got eco mode, we've got a 6-speed manual transmission, we've got ice cold air conditioning. As I say, it's about 30 degrees here in Wigan today, and this ice cold air conditioning is super. I'm going to sit in this van all day long just chilling. We've got a DAB radio, we've got a media player, we've got Bluetooth phone, and we've got the satellite navigation. Just agree. And there you go, it's all there. And then you can just press map and your map will come on the screen as you want it. Select reverse gear and you've got the beepers there then, so you can see through the really big large rear window, rear view mirrors rather. Great seat, lovely condition, look at that, no marks, mess or anything on there. And then you've got storage underneath those seats. The bulkhead lifts up so you can slide ladders through if you do need to do that. Great. And we've got an armrest for the driver. If you're doing any long distances, you can rest there in a captain's chair. Cup holder there for your coffee in the morning when you're at McDonald's. Storage underneath there, and also here and in there. You name it, you can store it anywhere. Slight bit of wear on the chair, but we're going to get that improved for you. But most of these Trafics are like that anyway. But all in all, a super van. So it's got 2 keys, it's got the book pack, it's got the service history, it's got receipts, bills for its maintenance. These are on a 2-year long life service interval. We've got plywood lining in it as well, and it's got racking. You can take that racking out if it's no good for you. Side loading door. But as I say, they were refrigeration engineers, these guys. So they were all very well presented, as is the vehicle. You got all them like self-tappers, dryers, you know, that must have been the screw bits and bobs. And as I say, this is the opening bulkhead, and you can slide things through there, which is a great idea, that. Absolutely. Why we never thought of that years and years ago, I don't know. So you've got a roof rack on there. Everything you'd want on a van is on this van, and it's in metallic paint finish. So yeah, one owner since it was 8 months old, service history, 2 keys, butt pack, sportive, aircon, electric pack, alloy wheels, metallic paint. What more do you want? Give us a call. We'll take a £250 reservation deposit on this vehicle. That's fully refundable if you get to Wigan and it's not the van for you. There's me, Miss Graham, there is Lee and Dom on sales. Either one of us will be happy to speak with you and discuss a deal. Finance is no issue. If you're not VAT registered, we can fund the VAT. If you are VAT registered, we can use the VAT as your finance payment. You've got a van you want to part exchange, we can do that, whether it be a new van, you want to come down, or an old van and you want to go up. We do it all here at Alpha Motors. So take a look at our social media page. We've been doing this job now for over 40 years. You'll see lots of customers like yourself picking the vehicles up from all over the UK. Our vehicles are highly presented, so they'll be fully checked through by our in-house technicians. If they require anything, we do it. But if you'd like any more information, give us a call. But as for now, thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.